Rajya Sabha MP Deepen Hooda attended the program organized by the District Bar Association in Rohtak today and met his advocate colleagues. On shaky expenses lined with muck and debris from the Char Dham all-weather road project, the Uttarakhand government plans on building hotels and tourist facilities to make use of the land. India captain Virat Kohli said that a verbal altercation between England players and the two Indian tail-enders Mohammad Shami and Jasprit Bumrah spurred them to go flat out at the home team in 60 available overs. In the wake of Kabul captured by Taliban, the Union Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas and Housing and Urban Affairs Hardeep Singh Puri on Monday said the Indian government is concerned about 6 another Indian origin people stranded in Afghanistan and is working for them. Afghanistan airspace has been shut for commercial flights to, from and over the country starting Monday morning, leaving several Indians waiting to return home on Air India stranded in Kabul and forcing airlines to take longer routes while flying between India and the West from now on. With the Supreme Court on Monday rejecting the petition of Anil Deshmukh seeking protection against arrest, the Enforcement Directorate is hopeful that the former Maharashtra Home Minister will surrender and join the money laundering investigation pending against him. Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur on Monday said people should contribute to the rejuvenation of Ganga, adding that beside an emotional and spiritual connect with all Indians, the holy river also has economic significances. India called for zero tolerance to terrorism by the Taliban dispensation in Afghanistan, saying that in the middle of challenges there were few opportunities. On a day the world was closely watching the developments in Afghanistan after the Taliban took over the country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke with his Israeli counterpart and reviewed all areas of cooperation between the two countries. Rhea Kapoor, Karan Bulani wedding reception. Bollywood veteran actor Anil Kapoor's producer daughter Rhea Kapoor tied the knot with her long-term beau Karan Bulani at Anil's Juhu residence.